Continuing some work. Wanted to update this video. I noticed there were not any videos on how to change carbon air filter. So what I wanted to do is produce a video to help some people out. Very simple task. This guy sits underneath there. You're gonna have some bolts here. Also, it's going to hold in the airbag, the knee bag. It's gonna have a plug on this side that should be fairly easy to unplug. Take a screwdriver, you wanna make sure the car is off. And then if you look up in here, you will notice that they are some torque screws. And these torque screws pull down this plate. And in this plate, after you get the plate down, you can get up in there and realize there goes your cabin filters. And this guy looks pretty dusted. Just that simple. Be able to pull that cabin filter out, get you some new ones, put it back in reverse. I did have to remove a screw for this side as well, the side panel, which was screwed into that plastic piece. And you should be able to access just that easy those cabin filters. Video for the cabin filters. That's how to change the cabin air filter. A few screws, you'll figure it out. If not, hit me in the DM, inbox, whatever. Like, subscribe this video. Let's see what's next. I'm rolling. All these cars I've done. This is the G-Wagon. I call it the B's for the Bravas. I've done the Aston. I've done the Bentley. I'm gonna put some videos out. We just got through changing this pump out. We changed the injectors on this guy. Power steering pump. Programmed the ICM. Did the transmission fluid. Did so much to this car, man. This is basically the Royce, Aston Martin, Bentley, Mercedes dealership. Like and subscribe to this video, please. Pass it on, help me out. I'm really enjoying this. I have not been recording, and I just want to start recording. So like and subscribe to the video. I'm gonna start putting short videos up of the things I find that may not be posted on cars like these. So if you own them, you can do them yourself. Next, I'm gonna post a video tonight on how to take the rotors off. I'm gonna take them to O'Reilly's and get them turned. It should take me probably 10 minutes to take off each side of the rotors, but I will post a video with that as well.